Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maryam Sajjad from CID News Network, Islamabad. Pakistan's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi says Pakistan is ready to work with the new US administration. Investigation Wing of Islamabad Police revamped. The investigation wing of Islamabad Police has been revamped with the purpose to ensure speedy and quality investigation in criminal cases. Peshawar records highest COVID mortalities in KP. 7 more people died of COVID-19 on Sunday, as Peshawar continued to record more cases as it reported 50.4% of the all-over fatalities in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. US passes 25 million COVID-19 cases. In Washington, more than 25 million COVID-19 cases have been recorded in the United States since the pandemic begins. UAE cabinet approves setting up embassy in Israel. The UAE and Israel agreed to normalize relations in August, a deal forged largely over shared fears of Iran. Israel closes skies to air travel as COVID variants found. Flights will be banned for a week as government tries to curb spread of variants. Protect vaccination campaign. China rescues 11 miners after 14 days trapped underground. 11 workers trapped for 2 weeks by an explosion inside a Chinese gold mine were brought safely to the surface on Sunday. Tears and fears as India's huge coronavirus vaccine campaign falters. India's huge coronavirus vaccination drive is behind schedule, with a third of recipients not showing up for appointments because of safety fear, technical glitches, and a belief that the pandemic is ending.